realm of riddles.
James is the corner kid. He loves candies. Every time he wants a candy, he flips a coin. If it lands on tails, he takes a candy from his left pocket, and if it's heads, he takes one from his right pocket. Currently, James has 8 orange candies in his left pocket and 2 orange candies in his right pocket. However, James now bought an unknown number of red candies and put them all in his right pocket. If possible, how many red candies should James have bought to make it as probable to pull a red candy as an orange candy? Pause the video now to solve the riddle for yourself. To solve this riddle, you may have tried equating the probability of pulling an orange candy with that of pulling a red candy, but that won't work, and you will end up with an inequality. This is because the probability of pulling an orange candy will always be higher, even if James has an infinity of red candies in his right pocket. James will always have at least a 50% chance of pulling an orange candy from his left pocket, plus the chance of pulling an orange candy from his right pocket. No matter how small that right pocket chance is, James will always be more likely to pull an orange candy, as the total chance will be over 50%.